Yo, what's good guys? We're gonna do a quick replacement of the tail light bulb on the Boxster today. So I got this LED festoon style 36mm LED bulb. So we're gonna be replacing one of them because one of them went out. This is a purple colorway, so if you wanna buy this festoon LED tail light bulb, you can go ahead and click on the link down below. And also, before we get on, go ahead and like my video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Very simple guys, all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you're just gonna unscrew two screws here. So nice, one more inside. After you take out both screws, you're just gonna pull it out. So, flathead to pry it out. Okay, there it is. And after you take it out, so there's basically just gonna be a plastic covering. So you're gonna have to lift this one up, and then this housing right here, this plastic housing. So we're gonna take it out right now. Sounds like I already took it out, so okay, so here it is guys. .36mm, so this is the old one. I don't know if you can see. It's a nice little touch for your car. Oh, shit. Okay, so you just place it back in just like the old one. So I got the bulb in. We're gonna turn on the car to test to see if that light actually works, and then we'll put it back together, and that's it guys. Pretty simple. Wow, that is extremely bright. Yo, what's up guys? So I went ahead and finished replacing both of my license plate bulbs, and as you can see, it's extremely bright. You can see the light from here. So this is what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. It gives it that little extra sauce, you know? So just a quick little mod guys. Hopefully you guys liked it, and if you want to buy these bulbs for your car, you can go ahead and click on the link. They have all the sizes that you'll need. And thanks again for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it. Car Addict out. Peace.